This is the solution of worksheet 11, session 12, mathematics class 9. And this is the solution of part 1 of chapter 8, factorization. And here in this worksheet, I have given you the 5 questions, and all these questions you have to factorize by using the vanishing method or the trial method. So here is the first question. So in this first question we have a cube minus 12a minus 16. So this is the polynomial which is given. So suppose this is fa equal to this, and here you will put the value of a, that is you will choose the value of a so that the value of this will be equal to 0. And here I will suggest you to do some rough work. Okay, that is you can try some values, because in these questions you will have to take the small values like plus 1 or minus 1, minus 2, plus 2, or 3, minus 3, etc. That is by choosing any of these values, any of these expressions will be 0. So but first you will do some rough work so that you don't have to that is the work in this answer here. So first try to do some rough work and see for which value of a this becomes 0 here. So here I did some rough work, and then I found that when you put a equal to minus 2, then it becomes 0 here. So because if you can choose here 1, minus 1, and so on, but it will take time here. So do some rough work in short, and then you will find out quickly. So here f minus 2 is equal to 0. F minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole cube, minus 12 into minus 2, minus 6, and so on. So after solving, minus 2 whole cube is minus 8, because again this is minus 8 here. Why minus 8? Because minus 2, the power of this is 3 here. That is odd. That is why here minus 8, and this will be minus here, and this minus, so it will be plus. So after solving, you will get 0. It means that when this is 0, it means that by factor theorem, a plus 2, this is a plus 2 is a factor of fa. And now you will rearrange this expression in such a way that a plus 2 will be common here. So here the first, and because this is a plus 2 here, so you have to, like here it is a cube here, so it is a cube, and we have to bring a plus 2 common here. So it is 2 here, so you must have 2a square here. That is why when you take a square common, then it will be a plus 2. So in this way you have to think, and then you have to arrange here. So here I have written a cube plus 2a square. So here I have added 2a square. So I have also subtracted 2a square, so that the value of this will not change. So a cube plus 2a square minus 2a square, and then here I have written minus 4a. Why minus 4a? Because again you see that in this, if you take 2a common, then like here minus 2a square minus 4a, then it will be minus 2a, and it will be when you take 2a common, then it will be here a plus 2. See, so we need a plus 2 in every term here, and we keep in mind that we have to write every term as this, so that we can take a plus 2 as common, and it will happen in this, because a plus 2 is the factor. So you will get this kind of expressions by arranging this. So here first this here, then minus 2a square minus 4a, because here this is minus 12a, so I have written this as minus 4a, and minus 4a and also plus 4a, because here I have subtracted, then here also I have added here, and this minus 12a and this minus 16 here. So now here this, and then this, then this term, and then here 4a minus 12a will be minus 8a here. Now see clearly that in this a square is common, then a plus 2. Here minus 2a is common, then a plus 2 is left here, and again here a minus 8 is common, then a plus 2. Now see that everywhere a plus 2, a plus 2, a plus 2 is common. Then take out a plus 2 as common here, then a square minus 2a minus 8 is left here. And if it can be factorized by splitting the middle term, then do it, otherwise leave it. So a plus 2, then here it can be factorized. So here I have done it. So you can see that a square minus 4a plus 2a minus 2. I hope you know how to do it. That is why I will not explain it here. So then a plus 2, then ultimately the answer will be this much here. Okay, so in this way you can factorize. So all the questions are of the same type here. So but you will see the solution here again. And in this question also I told you how to find out the value of x or the variable so that the given polynomial becomes 0. So in this case also the same question, it is different here, x cube minus 19x minus 30, and here f minus 2 becomes 0 here. Again I told you that you will do this first in the rough work, and then you will write. Otherwise if you try, then it will be long. You will try by 1, then minus 1, then 2, and minus 2, and so on. So here you can just see that, or you can also do some mind work also here. Then you will see that it will be 0 by doing this. So f minus 2 is 0 here. It means that x plus 2 is the factor here, because this is minus here. So x equal to minus 2. Then this implies x plus 2 equal to 0. So x plus 2 will be the factor of fx. Then again, as I told you in question 1, you will rearrange this so that x plus 2 will be everywhere. So here I have rearranged like x plus 2, and here also x plus 2 is there. So in this we have x plus 2 everywhere, and then x plus 2 is common. Then what is left is this. Again, it can be factorized by splitting the middle term. So I did it, and then the answer is this. So this is the second question, and the third one is this. So in all questions the process is same here. And see here again, we have suppose fa equal to this, and then f1 equal to, because for a equal to 1 this is 0 here. So a minus 1 will be the factor, and then again rearrange this so that a minus 1 will be common everywhere. Then here a minus 1 into this. So because this expression cannot be factorized, so leave it as it is. So this will be the answer in this case. And the question number 4 is this. And here again see that you are given this polynomial, and for x equal to 1 this becomes 0. So x minus 1 will be the factor, and then factorize this. That is, you have to rearrange again so that x minus 1 will be common everywhere. So here I have done it, and then x minus 1 is common, then this here. So again factorize this expression by using the splitting of the middle term, and then I got these factors. So this is the answer. And the last one is here. This is the last one again. Here that y equal to, that is, this is the polynomial in y. Then for y equal to 2, this becomes 0. Means y minus 2 is the y minus 2. This is y minus 2. Y minus 2 is a factor of fy, and therefore now again rearrange this here. That is c 2y cube minus 4y square. Because if you write in this way, then here when you take that is common 2y square, then 2y minus 2 here. So minus 4y square, then here minus y square, because it is 5y square minus 5y square here. So I have already taken minus 4y square, so y minus y square left here. So minus y square, and then I have taken out plus 2y from this, that is minus y square plus 2y, because I have written this plus 2y so that when we take common like this, we will get y minus 2 here. That is why here I have written 2y here. If you written 2y here, then it will be minus 21, because plus 2y, then minus 2y. Minus 2y and minus 19y will be minus 21y here. So this here. So it is up to you that you will think how to arrange, and then so that you will take this as the you will get this as the common here. So in this now see that here also when you take minus 21 common, then y minus 2 is left here. So everywhere y minus 2 is common, then y minus 2 into this, and then again this can be factorized by splitting the middle term, and then I did it, and then I got this answer. So this is all about this worksheet, and I hope you understood the solution. And if you have any questions regarding this, then you can message me in the message box. Thank you.